Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 5 things every Mac user must know when it comes to using the Finder application. So, when you sign onto your account on a Mac, we see the toolbar and we see Finder, File, Edit, View, Go, Windows, Help. To check About Finder, go to the navigation bar, click on Finder, About Finder. And now we can see the Finder version, which is 10.14. To open up a new Finder window, Command N opens up a new Finder window, and then Command N again will open up a new Finder window. Let's go back to one window, and now we can use the sidebar to navigate to recents, AirDrop, applications, documents, and so on. The locations, the tags. If we wish to hide the sidebar, that's all it takes. Click the sidebar, drag to the side, double click to adjust. 1 click, 2 click will adjust the sidebar and the toolbar, which we can right click, customize the toolbar, and then change. Go back to document, and now we can rearrange folders, delete, add photos and videos to folders. And those were my 5 top things every Mac user needs to know when it comes to using the Finder application. We learned how to navigate to the About Finder, open up a new Finder, looked at the sidebar, the customization of the toolbar, and a couple of folders. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.